Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we go on a mission to change the oil because it's been 500 kilometers. Yes, 500 kilometers since I bought the Rusi Classic 250. So come along with me and we're gonna have some fun also driving on the roads of the Philippines. Bye now. So, here I am on the road to the dealership. This is my third attempt to have the oil changed. I've been there twice and the mechanic wasn't available. Anyways, now, as you will see, the mechanic is leaving the shop. I'm not sure if he's leaving for the day, if he's gonna return or not, but he just tells me that he has a few errands to run, but I tell him that I need to change the oil and he agrees to come back. So you will see him leaving the dealership on his blue scooter.
Hello sir, good afternoon.
Hello. You go home now?
No sir, going to market.
Okay.
Masih you
To change the oil.
Hi. Yes sir. Wait for me a while.
How long?
10 minutes.
Then okay, that's good. Okay, I see you soon then. Thank you so much. This is the main road that goes all the way to Manila, and as you can see, it's always busy with heavy traffic. So, whenever possible, I just prefer to drive on the back roads. The oil inside the engine was really black, and I think it's normal because the engines run really hot here in the Philippines. Anyways, we're gonna put the Shell semi-synthetic 10W40 this time, and yes, I bought it at the Shell station. You should provide your own oil. Now, equipped with a fresh oil change, it is time to hit the back roads that are more scenic and have less traffic. So, while you enjoy the beautiful scenery, I would like to talk to you about maintenance and repairs of your bike here in the Philippines versus in Canada. So if you do any maintenance in Canada on your bike, the dealership or the shop where you bring your bike pretty much has all the oil that you want. It has the filters and everything. Over here, unless if you have a KTM or a Ducati and you live in the Greater Manila area, so maybe there everything is readily available. But over here in the province, it is better if you purchase those things before you go into the dealership, as sometimes the spare parts or even the oil may not be available, at least not the brand that you like. So what I did was I purchased my own at the Shell gas station when I went to fill it up. And so after giving you this advice, I'm gonna leave you now, and if you like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I did making it. So that's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye now.